Hello everyone, this is Paulo Haddad, and in this video I want to discuss a little bit about which version of OpenDSS py-dss interface can use. And to do that, let me go ahead and open my Python project. This is my Python project. I'll show you two things on that. I will open the terminal and I'll type python -version. This is going to tell me I'm using Python 3.11 and also pip list. This is going to tell me that I'm using py-dss-interface 202. So I have a video that describes the differences between version 1 and version 2 of py-dss interface if you are interested in understanding that. But the focus of this video is to understand which version of OpenDSS we are using, and if you are interested in using your own version, how you can do it, and what would be the problems you may face. So the first thing is that when I provide py-dss interface, I provide it with an OpenDSS version, okay? So, and you use the version I provide when you create the DSS object without passing any argument to the DSS. So if you Control P to see the properties, you see that there is a DLL folder parameter, which pretty much tells the address of your own OpenDSS, and then the package will use yours, not the one that I provide. Now, where is the OpenDSS version that I provide, and which version is that? So to show you where is that, when you have your Python project, you can go to your virtual environment. In my case here is .venv, and sometimes just venv. You can go there, you can open the folder called lib, and then in lib you have a folder called side packages, okay? In the side packages you're gonna have here a py-dss interface. So that's where when you pip install a Python package, that's where it's going to be located when you're using a virtual environment, right? In the py-dss interface folder you're gonna see DLL, and here I have the two versions of OpenDSS, okay? Now, which is this version? Let me double check here. I can run this code in debug mode just to stop it. Amazing. Now I can go here, evaluate expression, and then dss.dss interface, right? That's where it's located, version. So you see that my py-dss interface 202 works with version 9612. Okay, that means that I guarantee, according to the unit tests that we have in our py-dss interface package, that it's going to work very well with this OpenDSS version. Okay, now let's see which version of OpenDSS I have in my computer. Let's open OpenDSS, and then you go help and you go about DSS, and in this case I have 9711, and for some reason I want to use it with py-dss interface. Okay, in that case what you need to do, you need to go C 2 points program files, and then you go OpenDSS. You grab this address here, and then let me go back to my code. Perfect. And then you pass it as an argument here. Okay, so I'm telling when I'm creating my DSS instance that I will use actually the DSS version that it's in my computer, and this is the version that I'm providing, which is 9.7. Okay, so I can run debug mode now. Let me run that again. Let me go to evaluate expression again, and then DSS, the DSS interface version. Pretty good. Now I have 9711. Okay, so as you can see, maybe there's something that changed in OpenDSS, and that feature is only available in this 9.7, so you can use the interface to help you on that. But there's a problem. I didn't test that 9.7 in my unit tests. I just used 9.6. That means that I'm not sure if it's going to have bugs or not using this version. And I can show you that there is a bug. So I will, for instance, here go and call dss.circuit.buses vmag, right? I'm gonna get that, and let me run it. Just run here. I'll stop here, and I'm gonna run on the top. Okay, so you see, there's something. There's a problem, right? There's a problem that happens here that you know, if I use the version that I provide you, if you run it, there's no problem. But then when you use your version, there's a problem. What's happening? So OpenDSS is changing the way it talks with arrays, right? It's in OpenDSS. So OpenDSS has changed it, but the package has not been updated to be able to read that. So I'm waiting for the change to be completed, and then I will update the package to be able to handle new versions of OpenDSS. And after that, I hope everything will be working as expected. So what my suggestion here is that use the version that I provide, unless there's something really, really specific that just has a new version. In that case, you can send me an email, but I hope in the next few months we fix the things we finish the things we need to do in OpenDSS, and then I'll be able to update the package to be able to run any new version of OpenDSS. Okay, so that's all I need to show you guys about the versions of OpenDSS that you can use in the py-dss interface. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, so that can kind of help me in the YouTube kind of world. Okay, thanks so much. Talk to you later.